viscosity levels in vat 3 are fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the agitator speed now.
Consistency looks right on spec.
Confirmed. Hold the temperature steady.
After hours in the mixer, the chip compound is discharged into sealed containers, ensuring perfect consistency. The pressure gauge on silo 4 is reading low. I show the automated feed compensating. Inventory levels are stable. In this Nevada facility, the specialized clay compound is fed into the massive molding machine, the first step in creating a flawless casino chip. The consistency of these colored compounds is crucial for the next stage of production. The hydraulic press applies massive pressure, transforming the clay composite into durable casino chips. The output looks good, but the temperature on the gauge seems high. It's within tolerance. Log the data and continue the cycle. The fully automated conveyor system ensures a seamless flow of over 10,000 chips per hour towards the inspection phase.
The diameter variance on the blue chips is still within tolerance, but it's fluctuating.
Let's check the feeder alignment on the HMI.
The Z-axis reading on batch 7 looks stable.
Yeah, well within the micron tolerance.
In this high-tech Nevada facility, precision is paramount. Every approved chip is dimensionally accurate before moving to the next stage.
Dimensions on the blue chips look good?
Confirmed. 0.05 deviation on the green, but still within acceptable range.
Okay, proceed to sorting. Ensure the alignment matches the schematic precisely on these edge spots.
Confirmed. We are cleared for assembly on this tray. The surface uniformity is holding steady at 99.8%.
Good. Let's maintain this feed rate for the next batch.
The defect rate on the blue chips is downstabilization. That aligns with the scanner calibration we finalized yesterday. The automated stacking system organizes thousands of blank casino chips into perfect uniform stacks. We need to adjust the microtext alignment on the $500 chip before sending it to the printer. The curing process is stable. Flawless application, right on specification. Here we see the multicolor print heads applying the intricate designs with sub-millimeter precision. The quality check happens at every stage. Here's advanced sensors scan every chip. When a defect is found, the pneumatic arm rapidly ejects the flawed piece. Here at the final graphic verification station, advanced optical systems ensure every chip meets our exacting standards. These automated systems ensure the precision placement of every RFID component, vital for high-security environments. The pinnacle of secure manufacturing, advanced robotic systems precisely install next-generation identification components into every single chip. To combat counterfeiting, every chip receives micro-patterns and specialized authentication elements. Check the encapsulation on this batch.
RFID is solid, passing to UV inspection now.
In this Nevada facility, every chip undergoes rigorous inspection. Optical scanners and precision sensors analyze them at high speed.
Look at the variance on the last batch.
Holding steady at 0.01, well within tolerance.
Check the saturation levels on the blue chips here.
Yeah, the machine flagged that batch. They're slightly off hue.
Looks like we're hitting the target throughput for the shift. Good. Keep an eye on the adhesive levels.
The carton count matches the manifest exactly. Good. Let's send the release command for this pallet.
In the vast expanse of this Nevada facility, precision is everything. Every chip secured, every pallet accounted for. From these shelves, thousands of sealed cartons are shipped to casinos across the globe. Deep within this Nevada facility, millions of premium casino chips are meticulously organized and prepared for...
Double check the routing on this one.
Looks good. It's cleared for the afternoon shipment.
Double-check the seal on crate 4B before staging for airlock.
Roger that. Scanning now.
Watch your clearance on the left. That's good. Set it down right there.
Manifest confirms shipment 742, all secure for transport to the city center.
Copy that. Dispatch. Gates opening now.
Crafted with unparalleled precision, these clay composite chips feature flawless graphics and intricate security markings, essential in a luxury casino environment.
I'll take 2 more chips right there.
Good luck to you, madam. No more bets.
Millions of chips, meticulously crafted and arranged, represent the lifeblood of this opulent empire.